What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it does look as though what we were saying in yesterday's video has actually started to come to fruition. We can see quite clearly here that Polygon actually this is a beautifully technical chart right here, isn't it? You can see all of our technical analysis here. Obviously we've come up the big descending wedge that we saw, and basically we broke to the upside. We're forming this coiling motion this whole time. You can see it here, coiling inside of this pennant formation on the chart. Price comes down, comes back up. We roll over again in September with another, ABC correction, forming this big descending wedge again, descending down, and then we form that W double bottom perfectly on support in and around that, the 038 Fibonacci retracement level. We come down, find support, chop it up in and around the 050. We come all the way up to the 618 where we find resistance, but we coil up in another nice little pennant here. We actually get the breakout of the massive pennant we've been in for God knows how long here. You can see it. We basically get the breakout of the huge pennant from this smaller pennant here. We break all the way to the upside in a big way, come all the way up to 223. And then obviously the neck pretty much had a nice little correction, which was fine, forming some kind of, potentially another pennant here where we're coiling up potentially for another move. But then on the 10th of November, we basically saw Bitcoin, shit itself and roll over massively. So what happened was we come all the way down, find support perfectly on the 618 of that Fibonacci pull from the all-time high down to that low at 63 cents that we saw. We basically get the nice bounce there to the cent, by the way, and then we come all the way back up. We have a little bit of consolidation and chopping it sideways. Bitcoin rolls over again. We come down again to the 618. We get the bounce for 2 days in a row. We have a little overextension past the 618 here where we retest the previous resistance of the pennant, the overall pennant we're looking at as support, which is super bullish. You can see here we come down, we retest it twice pretty much, and then we do get the pickup. We roll over again with Bitcoin, but we haven't even made a lower low actually. We're looking as though we might be potentially breaking out soon for Polygon of this little downtrend that we've been in like this. You can see the downtrend quite clearly. We've been chopping it down, but looking as though we're finding a decent bit of support here. And today you can see we come down, we retested the 618 as support again, and we did get that bounce to the upside today, currently trading at around 165, looking much more bullish than we have over the past few days. Looking as though potentially we're doing something like this, where we're kind of bottoming out and sweeping the 618 as we often do before getting a nice move to the upside. And you can see it very, very clearly here that basically Polygon it wants to move to the upside, doesn't it? And if we look at the hourly time frame, you can see what's happening quite clearly. Basically, we've got our big downtrend, which we'll outline here. We've got a downtrend like this, and we've got the bottom like this as well. You can quite clearly see that we're in a downtrend here, like lower lows and lower highs all the way down, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And we're sweeping the 618 here. Massive bullish divergence here, by the way. If we just zoom in a bit more so you can see what's going on, you can see here price action's coming down, momentum's coming up. Very, very clear bullish divergence on the RSI. We're sweeping the 618 low here. We come back up. We retest the 618 as support perfectly here, which is the swing low here that we have tested a few times. Very, very bullish indeed. We actually come down again, double bottom back test, but obviously another bullish divergence here with the price action trying to come down, but it couldn't with the RSI moving to the upside. All the while here, we've got loads of, bullish divergences on the histogram and the RSI. And you can see here, with basically sweeping the 618 one more time, we were coming up here with a nice move to the upside for Polygon, basically looking to break out of this level that we're about to test again of that downtrend. So overall, we'd say Polygon, it's looking good, isn't it? It's looking pretty good. All that we're looking at is the long term here, and you can see massive flagpole huge coiling motion, the big breakout and the back test completed. And obviously if we do start to break out of this downtrend here and start moving to the upside towards that all-time high, we are going to be looking at some very nice price targets for Polygon if that's the case. So looking at the hourly time frame then for short-term price predictions, we do honestly think that Polygon's looking very strong right now. A lot of people are so bearish because they've seen a few downwards days for a few days, but keeping a macro perspective, you can see quite clearly that Polygon's looking very good. And we'd say, obviously, if you roll over here, you want to retest that 618 one more time and then get the bounce to the upside, because we are making, you know, a higher high, a higher low, and we want to see that higher high here. If we get that higher high, the breakout, the back test, we're going to be looking very good, aren't we? And then moving to the upside, we want to see ourselves getting back up to that 180 swing high that we've been talking about for a long time. And then obviously we've got those 0.78 at $1.95 to $2. We want to see ourselves getting back up towards this, and then obviously to the all-time high at $2.70 before coming up for those final pushes in this bull market towards that $5 to $10 area that we are looking for. We do think Polygon is very undervalued. It's obviously a top quality cryptocurrency. It's done very well in the past, and you know, once it does start to get more DeFi, we do think that these kinds of price targets will be possible. So just take a look at what's happening with Avalanche, what happened with Solana, what's probably going to happen with Phantom. You can see these price targets definitely could be possible. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.